right, so let's take a look at room 6145 on the New Amsterdam. One thing we did notice is that the keys, you do have to slide them in as opposed to, tapping them. So a little bit older design, but no big deal. All right, this is a standard balcony category stateroom located in the back of the ship. I think there's about maybe 7 or 8 cabins behind us towards the back, but we are darn near in the back. So you have your seating area. These are not complimentary. There's some waters, some wine. All of these have a price list. So even if you have the drink package, that is not included. Nor is the mini bar included. These items have a fee as well. And I think when I looked on the list, the beers are about $7.50 each. So let's take a look at the balcony. We are currently headed towards Grand Turk on kind of a overcast day, but the sea is relatively calm, not too bad. Grand Turk should be just that way. So anyway, here is your balcony. We have a chair with a footrest, table, and then another chair with footrest. Now this room is equipped with a 2-seat love seat right here, which is nice when you want to sit out and just kind of watch the waves out there. Oh, by the way, on the balcony, I failed to mention, there is a slight overhang. It does not really impact your point of view, though. You can still see directly all the way out there. So that's really not a factor at all. That just keeps the rain off of you. So anyway, moving back here, you have a queen bed. Each side of the bed you have your own little nightstand with a couple of drawers. About a 48-inch TV, maybe a 50. As you can see, we are right here, headed for Turks and Caicos. We'll be there tomorrow. Those are our Holland robes. Kind of just have them drying out a little bit. Here's the other nightstand, by the way. So onto the closets. Pretty good closet space in here. You have your room safe. This particular one has about 4 shelves. And then you have a clothes closet here with your life vest. We found that it's got a lot of room. Here's another closet area. Now on to the bathroom, which is pretty roomy. You do have a tub with your shower head and your basic sink there. So there you go. Plenty of room. That's my arm. All right. Room 6145, New Amsterdam.